Welcome back to social session. We are studying about the important facts in social science and the basics also. Can you recollect what we studied in the previous class? Yes, we were studying about India maps, different types of maps, rivers, major landforms of India, and in the last class we studied different continents of the world. Can anybody tell how many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. Can you tell the names? Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, yes, North America, South America. Yes, in this session we are going to learn about the oceans. Oceans of the world. There are oceans. First, we have to learn the definition of ocean. Ocean is a large water body full of salt water. It comprises of 3/4 of the whole earth. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the last Arctic Ocean. I'll give you a small tip to remember these 5 oceans of the world. Check the first letter, P-A-I-S-A. We spell it as Paisa. It will be useful for you to remember the 5 oceans of the world. So P stands for Pacific Ocean, A for Atlantic Ocean, I for Indian Ocean, S for Southern Ocean, and A for Arctic Ocean. Let us see about the area covered by these oceans. It is also in the order of the size, how large it is. It is already arranged in that order, biggest to smallest. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean of the world. So its area is 165.2 million square kilometer. So I am not writing the million square meter, just I am writing the numbers. Everything is million square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in size. It is 106.5 million square kilometer. And Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. It lies below India. It is named after the country India. It is the only ocean that is named after the country. These facts can be asked in 1 mark also. Its area is 70.56 square kilometer. Million square kilometer. Southern Ocean, it is also called as Antarctic Ocean or Austral Ocean. It is above the continent Antarctica. It lies in the southern hemisphere. Its area is 20.33 million square kilometer. And last comes Arctic Ocean. It is in the northern hemisphere. It is in the polar region, north polar region, and it is the smallest and shallowest ocean. Its area is 14.56 million square kilometer. Seeing the area 14.06 square kilometer. Seeing the area, you can check it which is largest and which is smallest. It is arranged in the size from largest to smallest. These are the 5 oceans of the world. Now I will explain some of the facts about each ocean. Let us see the definition also. This is the chart which shows the continents and 5 oceans. You can see the names of 5 oceans arranged in order. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. We will study about each ocean. Let us see the definition of ocean. Children, you can make a note of it. Ocean is the whole body of salt water that covers nearly 3/4 of the surface of the earth. I'll repeat again. Ocean is the whole body of salt water that covers nearly 3/4 of the surface of of the surface of earth. There are 5 oceans. You please note down. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean, and the last is Arctic Ocean. I'll give you a few minutes time. Make a note of it. Write neatly. Let us learn about each and every ocean. Let us see about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. The word Pacific means peaceful. The Pacific Ocean got its name from the explorer Ferdinand Magellan. You already studied about him. Its area is 165.2 million kilometers square. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the planet. It covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. The Pacific Ocean is also the deepest ocean. You can make a hints. You can copy the hints of it. Pacific hyphen, you can write hyphen and peaceful. Otherwise, you can copy it. Its name is found by Ferdinand Magellan, and area already I explained by writing on the blackboard. It is the largest and deepest ocean. It covers around 30% of the Earth's surface. Noted down all the points. You can recollect all these points. If you are asked about any ocean, you can remember this and write on your own. These are the facts you have to remember. These are the basic things. Okay, let's go to Atlantic Ocean. All copied this Pacific Ocean. Yes, next come Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest of world's oceans. Its area is about 106.5 million square kilometers. It covers approximately 20% of Earth's surface. I'll show you in the map where these oceans lie. Copied. Atlantic Ocean. If you remember the name PAISA, Paisa, the order also you can remember from largest to smallest. Not like continents, but its arrangement is in such a way that it is from largest to smallest, so that it will be easy for you to remember. Let's go to the Indian Ocean. Is the ocean below the country in which we live is the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean. Its area is 70.56 million square kilometer. It covers approximately 19.8% of the water on Earth's surface. It is the only ocean named after a country. Next is the Southern Ocean. It is also known as Antarctic Ocean or the Austral Ocean. It is above the continent Antarctica. It is in the southern hemisphere. Its area is 20.33 million square kilometer. It comprises the southernmost waters of the world ocean. Make a note of the names. 3 names for this ocean: Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Austral Ocean. Copied. Next is Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. Its area is 14.06 million square kilometer. It is also known as the coldest of all the oceans because it is in the North Polar region, Arctic region, located mostly in the Arctic North Polar region. Arctic Ocean is surrounded by Eurasia and North America. Eurasia, already I told you, the term is different for you. Europe and Asia together is called as Eurasia, and the North America on the left side. On the right side, Eurasia. In between these continents lies the Arctic Ocean. Noted down, children. These may be asked in one words. Many one words you will get from this section. You should be able to answer every question. Small facts only, you can remember very well. It's not a big deal for you to remember everything. You have to think and answer. Which is the coldest of all oceans? You have to think which region is cold. So automatically you can write Arctic Ocean, which is in the North Pole. I think you have copied some of the facts or features about these oceans. Children, you are clear with the facts about the different oceans. Definition of ocean. You saw about each and every ocean now. Let us see a small video which depicts the different oceans of the world.
The oceans of the world. So what is an ocean? Well, an ocean is a huge body of salt water. It's bigger than rivers, it's bigger than lakes, it's really huge, and it's salt water. It's not fresh water. If you've ever gotten ocean water in your mouth, you can taste the salt, okay? The ocean. Have you ever been to an ocean before? Cool. Well, we're going to learn about the world's oceans in this video. The world has 5 oceans. How many oceans are in the world? The same amount of fingers you have on one hand. 5. So here are the world's oceans. The Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Let's learn the oceans one by one. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is way up north. In fact, it is by the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and the most shallow ocean. There's lots of ice in the Arctic Ocean, but much of it has been melted. So where can you find the Arctic Ocean? Well, the Arctic Ocean is way up north. You can see here the arrow's pointing at it. It's way at the top of the world map. Now let's talk about the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is right in the middle of the globe and is south of the Arctic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean and is home to many species of whales, sharks, dolphins, and other creatures. So where can you find the Atlantic Ocean? Well, the Atlantic Ocean is in between the Americas, Europe, and Africa. Now let's learn about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is in between the Americas and Asia and Australia. And the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. It's not even close. It's the biggest ocean of all. The Pacific Ocean is huge. Now this is interesting. The Pacific Ocean appears in 2 places on most world maps. And you might be wondering, why is that? Well, the Earth is a sphere. That's the shape of the Earth. The Earth is a sphere. It's a 3D shape. But on maps, it's just 2 dimensions, so it is flat. So, the Pacific Ocean is by the Americas, but it's also by Asia and Australia, so it appears in 2 places on many maps, and you can see where they are with the arrows. Next up, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is further south, in between Africa, Asia, and Australia. The Indian Ocean is an important place for species like the humpback whale. The Indian Ocean is also important for transporting goods. For example, each day, millions of barrels of oil are shipped across the Indian Ocean in big oil tankers, just like the one in this picture. The Indian Ocean is here between Africa, Asia, and Australia. Our 5th and final ocean is the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is way down south. In fact, it is by the South Pole, which is actually part of Antarctica. The Southern Ocean is home to many amazing creatures, like emperor penguins, for example. The Southern Ocean is at the bottom of the map by Antarctica. Great, well now we're going to fly and glide into a game that's going to see how much you learn about the oceans. We're about to play a game called Name the Ocean. We're going to show you some pictures, and you let us know which ocean you think it matches. As a quick reminder, These are the 5 oceans of the world: the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Let's begin. Alright, let's get started with this first one. Look at the dark blue sections of this map. Which ocean is this? Think very carefully. This is the ocean, here's a hint, that we said can be sometimes at 2 different places on a map. Do you remember which one? Yeah, the Pacific Ocean. Next one. Which ocean is this in the dark blue? It's way up top, isn't it? Way up north. Which ocean is it?
Children,
Yeah,
can you tell which
it's the
ocean
Arctic
is this?
Ocean.
It is Arctic Ocean.
Yeah, it's the Arctic Ocean. Here's another one. Look at the dark blue section of the map. Which ocean is this?
Which ocean
You
is
can
this?
see it's in between Africa, Asia, and Australia.
Africa, Asia,
Do you
and
remember
Australia.
what the
Can
name
you
of this ocean is? Great! It's the Indian Ocean. Let's try this one now. Look at the dark blue section of this map. What ocean is that? It's way down below everything else near Antarctica and the South Pole. Which ocean is this?
It is in the southern hemisphere. Which ocean?
Yeah, it's the Southern Ocean. Here's our last one. Look at the dark blue section of this map. Which ocean is this? It's right down the middle, and it's in between the Americas
Which ocean is this?
and Africa and Europe. Which ocean is this?
It is.
Yeah, it's the Atlantic Ocean. We're so glad you could spend time with us today. Next time somebody asks you if you know the oceans of the world, you could say, "Yep, I do. I saw the video."
Children, did you see the video? Yes, it's explained clearly about all the 5 oceans of the world. Let us recollect again. This is Pacific Ocean. It lies between the Americas and Asia and Australia. Why we have on 2 sides the Pacific Ocean? Why do we have that? You have to think and answer. All the other oceans are specified only once, but here Pacific Ocean is both on the left as well as on the right. Can you guess why? Can you guess why? Yes, children. This Pacific Ocean is on both the sides of the map. Why? Give reason. Because the earth is a sphere. So it is in the shape of a sphere. That's why here also we see Pacific Ocean. That continuation we see there also. Already I have explained in the previous session about the 7 continents. Can you name it again? What is this? North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and at the bottom Antarctica. Now I think you are clear with the continents. If you are clear with the continents only, you can mark the oceans of the world, because you have to note down in between which 2 continents these oceans lie. Pacific Ocean lies between Americas. We call both the America together as Americas, and Asia and Australia. Next comes Atlantic Ocean. It lies between these 4 continents, that is North America, South America, Europe and Africa. Next comes Indian Ocean. It is named after the country India. It lies to the south of India and it is in between Africa, Asia and Australia. Next is Arctic Ocean. It is in the Arctic Circle, that is North Polar region. It is in the northern hemisphere and we say it is the coldest ocean, that is in between Americas, Europe and Asia, that is Eurasia. Together we call Eurasia. Next comes Southern Ocean. It is in the southern hemisphere above the continent Antarctica. We call this ocean also as Antarctic Ocean. Already I have explained you about all these oceans. Let us recollect what we studied. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean of all these 5 oceans. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean and it is named after a country. Atlantic Ocean is named after the Greek god Atlas. The name Pacific means spacious, peaceful. It is given by the explorer Ferdinand Magellan. Arctic Ocean is in the northern hemisphere and it is the coldest ocean. Southern Ocean is also called as Antarctic Ocean or the Austral Ocean. It is above the continent Antarctica. It is also cold ocean, but compared to this, Arctic Ocean is the coldest. Hope you are all clear with the oceans. Shall we see a small video which depicts the it's like a rhyme, so that you will understand more about these oceans.
About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is, and my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea.
And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me.
I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest, but that's fine, you see, I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me. We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
One more time.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
Hope you all enjoyed the song based on the 5 oceans of the world. We have come to end of the session. Let us recollect what we studied. The ocean. What is the definition of ocean? Is huge salt water body which occupies the 3/4 of the Earth's surface, and there are 5 oceans, namely Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Let us see their area also. It is 165.2. Its area of these oceans, 165.2 million square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean 106.5 million square kilometer. Indian Ocean 70.56 million square kilometer. Southern Ocean 20.33 million square kilometer. Arctic Ocean is 14.06 million square kilometer. Let us ask few questions so that I will understand how much you understood about this session. Which is the largest and deepest ocean? Largest and deepest ocean. Yes, very good. It is Pacific Ocean. Which ocean is named after the Greek god Atlas? Which ocean is named after the Greek god Atlas? Yes, it is Atlantic Ocean. And which ocean is named after a country? Which ocean is named after a country? Yes, it is Indian Ocean. Give the other two names for Southern Ocean. Give the other two names for Southern Ocean. Yeah. Give the other names of Southern Ocean. The other two names of Southern Ocean are Antarctic Ocean and Austral Ocean. It may be called in any names. Which is the smallest and shallowest ocean? Which is the smallest and shallowest ocean? It is Arctic Ocean. Yes, very good. Hope you all understood this session. Today's homework, you have to mark the names of 5 oceans on world outline map. And few more questions. Which ocean lies on both sides of the map? Can you remember and tell? Which ocean lies on both sides of the map? You can see that ocean named on both sides of the map. Yes, that means left as well as right. That is Pacific Ocean. Which ocean lies between Americas and Eurasia and Europe? That is Europe and Africa. Yes, Atlantic Ocean, that is the second largest ocean. Which ocean lies in the North Polar region? For this question and as well as which ocean is the coldest ocean? For both the questions, same answer. You have to say Arctic Ocean. Which ocean is in the southern hemisphere? Which is above the Antarctica? That is Southern Ocean. Which ocean lies between Asia, Africa and Australia? It is also in the southern hemisphere. It is named after a country. The name of the ocean is Indian Ocean. Hope you all understood the session well. That's it. Any doubts you can ask me. One more question. In which ocean is the Mariana Trench situated? It is in the Pacific Ocean. World's deepest trench. It is located in Pacific Ocean. And Bermuda's Triangle is in the Atlantic Ocean. These two things you have to remember well. Thank you for watching this session. Have a nice day.